My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goal. If you think you can do a thing or think you can do a thing, you're right. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. The greatest thing in life is to keep your mind young. It is well enough that people of the nation do not understand our banking and monetary system, for if they did, I believe there would be a revolution before tomorrow morning. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself.